So it's a very special day for all of us to get together here in Coppell, Texas at the AstraZeneca facility. And the importance of today is that we've got a ribbon cutting ceremony.
It's a 24/7 facility, so we manufacture all around the clock. We have over 200 employees here, so a vital part of the ecosystem here in Coppell and in Texas as well.
With the continued expansion of this site, what we have been able to do is enable guideline-directed medical therapy for hundreds of thousands of patients.
This is an incredible day for North Texas. To have AstraZeneca put this $500 million investment right here in the middle of DFW in the great community of Coppell.
AstraZeneca has taken the time to make sure that the patient who's on dialysis right now is able to live a fulfilling life.
AstraZeneca has grown by over 50 times since they first opened up here in business. So we're seeing a 4,700% increase in their business, which is wonderful for AstraZeneca, and it's good for the city of Coppell.
So that is like a real proud moment, but comes with a lot of responsibility as well. So this is why we run 24/7. It's highly technical. These guys are really skilled, and our 200 million of patients worldwide need us to be here.
When you cut a ribbon, you're cutting a gateway to the future. We all go through our day-to-day here at AstraZeneca, and what we do impacts patients in such a magnificent way. And I think all of us have our own reason why. We all feel a sense of honor in what we do, and it's really important to take moments to just stop, pause, and reflect.